Another thing that I had to do was learn how to be without my family. I've been with my family my whole life. We're really close. I have two sisters and my mom and dad, and they've been around forever. They've always cleaned for me, they've cooked for me, just the normal stuff. And so I had to learn how to do all this stuff on my own, which is really not hard because I like to cook and clean and do all that stuff. I always have. But doing it on your own and nobody there to tell you how to do it and when to do it, and it's pretty hard. Like you really realize who you are, like your character. Um, you have to make yourself go to school. You have to make yourself go to work, which is really not fun. And you don't want to do these things, but you have to. And you have to make sure you have food to eat all the time, and you have to make sure that you're not spending too much money on fun things and doing like extra activities. You have to make sure that you pay for your bills because nobody else is going to pay them for you. And the electricity company doesn't care if you forgot to pay your bill. They're going to cut off your lights, which is something that I do not want. Anyway, and so another thing that moving out did for me is made me come out of my comfort zone. It made me be more open to people, like depend on people. I've never been a very person to depend on somebody. I like to do everything myself. So I have to depend on my friends. I have a roommate that I live with. I've known her since I was a freshman in high school, so I've known her a little while. And we have to really depend on each other for support. She's pretty much my family since my family's not there all the time because they have their own lives. So we have to do things for each other that the family would do. And another thing that moving out did for my comfort zone is I had to meet a lot of new people. Going to college, of course, you want to meet people, but you have to meet people in your neighborhood, to meet people at work. You never know what these people are going to turn into. They might be a very important person in your life one day. I mean, it's very important to know your neighbors, especially if your car breaks down or something and you don't know who to call because your family's busy. So, call your neighbors. Of course, if I didn't come out of my comfort zone, then I wouldn't be able to do this. I wouldn't even call them. I'd probably just sit there. And so, pretty much, moving out did a lot of stuff for me. I've became more grown up. I've got my stuff together. I'm going to school, got a job. I pay for everything I do. And it's just made me a happier person, pretty much. I'm more dependent on people. I'm more open to people. I like to talk to people more, pretty much. And I'm just happy, I guess. And I'm glad that I did move out, which is a very good thing because some people never move out, and I'm glad I did. But anyway, I guess it affected my life in a really big way, and I'm glad I did it. So thank you.